Yung pag-i-impeach daw po kay VP Sara Duterte ay isang political move dahil kung hindi daw bababa, pumupusta raw po si dating Pangulong Duterte na magma-martial law si Pangulong Marcos para hindi siya mapalitan na sa presidente, at yung pag-i-impeach daw kaya VP Sara isa na ring hakbang para pilayan daw yung kanyang anak sa pagtakbo sa 2028 elections. Reactions po.
Yung sa pagdeklara ng martial law, fake news po ulit. Hello, fake news, Mr. Fake News. Pero, huwag naman, puro fake news na lang lumalabas sa bunganga nyo. Palitan nyo naman. Yun naman po yung sa impeachment, nakita pa naman po natin yan lahat during the Quadcom, during the budget hearing sa local government. Hindi pa nga po nasasagot si Mary Grace Piatos. Sagutin na muna nila yon. O yan, may impeachment na. Kaya nga umabot sa punto na ganyan kasi hindi nga masagot yung napakasimpleng tanong, sino ba si Mary Grace Piatos? Saan napunta yung mga pera na yan? Kaya wag muna kayo mag-fake news.
Well, the former president is open naman eh. I mean, not really open. He's entitled naman to have his own opinion eh. Lahat naman tayo merong sariling interpretasyon sa lahat ng bagay na yon. Of course, you cannot discount the fact that the vice president is his daughter. So talagang sasabihin niya yun whatever is possible, whatever reasons that he may think behind itong impeachment. But the impeachment, if you go to the merits of the case, 215 complainants, members of this House, said that the VP deserves a day in court. Yung mga kaso naman po niya, it's not really connected with her partisanship or which party she belong to. These are brought about by the allegations and violations and of the joint circular when it comes to the utilization of the confidential funds. One of the articles of impeachment is brought about by the threats that she made publicly against the president, against the first lady, and the speaker of the House, threatening their lives. So we should not divert from those the real issues at hand. No? Yun po yung focus ng impeachment na ito. Politika, darating naman yan sa mga election. There are ways para resolbahin ang politika, but this is already something beyond politics. This is about holding public officials accountable to their actions.